Welcome to the George Mason University Libraries tutorial on doing a simple Mason catalog search from the library's homepage. After using this tutorial, you'll be able to search for an item using the Mason catalog search and use a library record to find out how to access a book, ebook, or other library material. The Mason catalog allows you to search for everything in the library's print and media collection and some research database content. The Mason catalog is a great tool for when you're just starting the research process or when you know the exact item you want and are looking to see if it is held in the library. Starting on the University Library's homepage, library.gmu.edu, in the main search area, the first tab you'll find is called Mason Catalog and More. You'll also find tabs for subject guides, databases, and journals. For this tutorial, we'll use Mason Catalog and More. Before searching, it's a good idea to sign in. Signing in will get you the access, request, and saved record options connected to your account. This not only expands accessible content, but it also allows saving sources as you go along. In the upper right corner of the page, select My Library account and follow the prompts to sign in. See the Research Tutorials page or contact the library for more help with this step. Let's click the Start New Search button at the top of the screen. For this example, we're starting a research project on student loan debt in the United States. Our instructor recommended a book called Game of Loans: The Rhetoric and Reality of Student Debt, and we want to see whether it's available. Let's type this title into the search box and hit the Enter key or click the Search button. After we initiate the search, we're offered the choice of searching the Mason catalog only or the WRLC catalog. By selecting WRLC Catalog, this expands our search to include not only George Mason libraries, but also our 9 partner university libraries in the DC metro area. The George Mason learning community has borrowing privileges to all the WRLC libraries' print materials. On the results page, let's skim the results and match the title. Our first result is the one we need. Let's review the record to see how we can get it. The full record gives us the details we need to get the item. Items may be available online, at one of our 3 on-campus physical spaces, or through a partner WRLC library. This book is available online. This is indicated by the green Available Online text just below the title. See our research tutorials or contact the library for more help accessing items. In this tutorial, you learned how to do a Mason catalog search and determine how to find an item. Thank you for using this tutorial. If you have other questions, please refer to our other tutorials or contact a librarian by following the links in the tutorial's description.